Okay, so we just wrapped up that video. We just wrapped up that. Well, we just wrapped up that video. A little bit of bird problems. You good? Is it off you? All right. Okay. All right. Well, that's kind of little. The video that's linked below is gonna be a little bit more professional. You're gonna see the professional side of her.
Yes.
Not the. Yeah. Yeah.
You can ask them. Is it lucky or unlucky?
Oh, you think they're gonna? Okay. What?
Is it lucky or unlucky if a bird poops on you? I heard that it was lucky.
What do you guys think? Please in the comments below. Please, please. I don't know what. You're a lucky person. I guess I'm unlucky. I'm cool with it. I'm clean. Oh my goodness. I've never heard that. I've heard a lot of crazy expressions. I haven't heard that. So this is day number 3 here in Warsaw, and I already feel like super recharged. Like, even though it's been pretty cold, the sun hasn't been out, it's summer, I feel super recharged still. Like, you know, and I think I can't stress the importance of you guys when you guys are traveling. Whenever you're doing stuff, is make sure that you always have those familiar places. It's something that's really important, and it's one little hack that I do when I'm traveling. Even if I'm in a place that I don't know anything about there, I have one familiar place. I have one cafe where I know a lot of people there. It doesn't matter what city I go to, if I'm there for more than 2 days, I have that one familiar thing, or that one familiar place, and that's one hack that I do. Second hack that I would say that I usually do, how I'm able to be so productive, not that I'm super productive, but I like to try to be, is I change up things a lot. So I've wasted maybe 15, not wasted, but I've used 15 or 20 minutes this morning kind of walking around trying to find a place to work, because I usually like to work in cafes, but I usually don't go to the same one 2 days in a row. Because I find by hacking and changing things up, you get less bored doing it, and the production and the efficiency of what you're doing goes up. And I feel like I better tell you guys that hack right now before I get on my computer for a couple hours and the energy level is low. But little morning hack for you guys here in Warsaw, Poland. Productive, long morning. Didn't get any editing of the vlog done, but was able to respond to all of you guys. Well, I've responded to every single email that I've gotten this July. If you sent me a message in July, I've got back to it. I still have so much I have to get to, but all of July is all taken care of. Now it's starting to rain, and I have a meeting in 3 hours. Meeting up with another YouTuber today, which I probably should have said at the beginning of today's video. I just kind of hope that it stops. Good news is the sun is out. I don't know how, but the sun is out here in summer. Finally a real summer for the day. But the bad news is I kind of fell asleep for like 30 minutes. Now I'm a little bit late to my meeting, but thankfully this person just messaged me saying that they're running a little bit late too. Perfect. How you doing? Nice to meet you finally. Luke, by the way.
It's actually funny because somebody said recently, they were like, you are putting the you in YouTube. It needs to be about you.
Yeah, it has to. It has to. Okay, so I've linked up. You want to introduce yourself though?
Oh, I'm Jasmine T.
Jasmine T. You guys, some of you guys have told me about her, saying I got to meet up with her. She does a lot of interview style things, and she's a real planner. So
I am.
So we walk around trying to figure out how we can get this video out. And no, it's gonna be really interesting. I like doing interviews. I like, we're both really different. So right now it's already starting off like, where should we go? Should we go here? Should we go here? Should we go here? We're gonna find a place to get this interview thing done and talk about like what it's like living overseas. What are some other questions?
How it's changed you.
Yeah, how it's changed.
How has it made you a better Luke?
Yes, exactly. And how has it made you better too, huh?
Yeah.
It goes both ways, you know?
For sure.
And we both have that different perspective, you know? So that's what the video is we're working on today, but I felt like I had to document this process because who knows how long it's gonna be till we actually find a place with our personalities. You know, showing us how technology works. Your followers are gonna be like, this is how it really happens?
This is not, I can't even turn it on.
You got it, you got it.
Do I have it? This is sad.
You got it, don't worry, don't worry. Yeah, so you guys that are coming from her channel, from Jasmine's channel, you guys can see this is what really goes on behind the scenes. You know, she's trying to get, I think she's trying to get the stabilizer to work. I think she's trying to get the stabilizer to work. I don't know what. You got it?
No.
Is it charged?
Yeah. Oh, maybe it's too heavy? It's raining.
Oh yeah. Just when you got it to work. We're pulling the squares, you're gonna spit gum out, throw it in your purse.
Oh no! Okay. All right, I'm okay. I'm okay. I got it now.
You sure?
I do.
All right.
I got questions. Just let me just remind myself.
All right. Take your time.
Okay.
Take your time.
We're not even rolling.
We're rolling on mine.
Okay. How did you first choose to come to Poland?
Well, actually, I probably was like most people. I didn't know about Poland. They asked me, what's Poland? I don't know. Like, they got cars, they got internet. You know, I was asking all these people, and you know, and I just met some people from Poland one summer, and they invited me to come to Poland. I go, you know, and it was like, you know, I wanted to play basketball, and then I love traveling too. But my main thing was basketball at that time, and just seeing and meeting new people. That was the thing. Okay. And travel is that's the vehicle to do that, and basketball was what allowed me to. Okay, so your first time living abroad was when you were 21. Yeah. So in what Australia. Kind of, you can't get peanut butter and fruits? You can for like €60 for the little tubs, but like there's no one, it's like everyone look at you weird. You know, if I sit there just making peanut butter and jelly sandwich, people are just like, what is that? And I gotta explain like, well, this is what we have in America, and it's like, sometimes you just want some simple stuff, or French toast, or some pancakes. You know, where I lived at, it was hard because they're trying to make it how we make it. So it's like, it's trying to get pierogies in America. It's like, it's not gonna be the same. It's not gonna be the same like here. It's not gonna be the same at all. Whew, okay, that's one meetup just finished. Jasmine's gone, thank you. Awesome interview, pretty interesting times. The way two people think, I'm really just no plan, and she's like super boom, boom, boom. Got the interview done, it's linked below. Now, it's a really interesting interview, by the way, as well, so if you guys can check it out, definitely check it out. Tell her that you came there from my channel, and just, you know, send her some love, tell her thank you. You know, we gotta send each other support, you know, but now we gotta make it across.
I was on your channel.
What?
I commented on your channel, man.
Really? Oh, that's what's up.
Machi D, man. Maybe
What's your name?
Machi, that like a red sweater.
I can't remember.
But I came from the US.
Really? Yo, what's up, man? How you doing?
I was watching your video this morning.
No way!
Seriously.
Really?
I've been watching it for like the last month.
Oh, and oh my goodness, finally back here to the center of Warsaw. Just a place that, I don't know, on days whenever I can't make it here to the center, as you guys see, because I saw someone in the comments say, it was a while ago, but I remember what they said. It was the first day Luke didn't put the Palace of Culture and Science in the vlog. And for me, it just, when I'm ever here in the center, you know, it's just that center sound, you know. For me, I love it. I love the craziness and stuff. For me, it's just, I guess I'm so used to having all the distractions around all the time. Having more distractions just make me focus more. Make me focus more on what I'm focusing on, if that makes sense. And, you know, just to give the vlog a little bit of value today, because I did a lot of interviews, or I don't want to say it like that, but I met with a lot of people, did a lot of things, and there was kind of a common goal in the people that I've met with, and that is that, you know, they all were just a little bit curious. They were curious as in the life that they had, or the life that they were having before they traveled and did all this kind of stuff, that there was more to do. You know, and I think that that's the one thing in common that I have with so many of you guys there. You're doing something, you have something going on in your life, but you know there's more. You feel like there's more. So it's not always about travel. It's not always about all this kind of stuff. It's about doing more. Knowing that there's more, being curious and finding those ways that you can do more. And then on top of that, finding the vehicle that will allow you to do it. For me, growing up, it was basketball. From the age of 15, moving up until, I don't know, it's been 15 more years after that. That was the tool that I used that allowed me to travel, that allowed me to do everything. It's about finding that vehicle. And if you're in a vehicle now that's not gonna allow you to do the things you really wanna do, maybe it's time to second guess it. That's all I'm saying. Don't want you guys going out and quitting your job tomorrow or anything, but wow. Don't want you guys going out and quitting your job or anything like that, but just wanted to say that to you guys, because that was a really good question that came up today in one of the interviews I was doing. But just want to share it with you guys. I want to thank you guys again so much for your support, your attention. Thank you guys for everything. It really means a lot to me. I appreciate it. All you guys who stop me and say hello and have conversations, everything with me during the day. It's always a pleasure. And if I haven't been to your city yet, I hope that I will be, or we'll meet here, or we'll meet somewhere soon. And actually today is, I think, my last day in here in Warsaw, because tomorrow's gonna be a big day. I think tomorrow's gonna be a big day. But on that note, that's all I'm gonna say for today. Wish you guys a beautiful day, morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world. And I'll speak to you guys all later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.